Hey everyone, I'm so glad I caught myself. I was in the middle of packing everything in my case, and some packages came today, and I'm just getting back from the back to school event, and I just immediately emptied out everything that I was using for the back to school event that I didn't need for school. And I started opening up the packages and putting them in, and I was like, oh my goodness, I forgot to do the unboxing. But I'm just going to show you what came in today. I'm still waiting on I think 4 other packages, but as you can see, there's almost everything in here. But I bought this citrus lotion, of course, for the hand massages. Sorry about me hitting that. This is supposed to be for the fiberglass extensions. That's the builder gel for it. They have the thing over top, but it's the builder gel. And then I bought 2 brushes. Don't know how these work, but I don't want to take my brushes to school because you guys know I have a lot of brushes as well. Well, you don't know that because I haven't shown you an update tour, but I bought these 2. This is a size 18. And they aren't pinched, so I would have to pinch them myself. And this is a size 24. It says Kalinsky, but I'm not sure how they're gonna work. But of course, I'm gonna try them. And I still have another one of my brushes in there that I used for the event today. So these came in this little tray of shimmer and shine. I wanted a smaller one versus carrying any of my I have the big old thing with a bunch of them placed in there, so I just bought a small one to bring to school with me. What else came in today? Oh, my mat, my training mat that I believe that's in Tammy Taylor's kit as well, so I went and bought me one. This one came off of AliExpress. All the rest of these came off of Temu. Then this came off of AliExpress as well by itself. And this is another airbrush machine. I have one right here, and it has the clear attachment, and then it's a green plastic attachment. But this one is supposed to have a metal attachment. It's the same color, but it's supposed to have a metal top. So hopefully that's the case. But I bought this one to go to school with me versus taking, well, I might switch out and put the older one into my case, put this one into my case, and then use this newer one for my clients, since it has the actual, if I can get it open. Hold on guys, let me open it. Okay, so it was fighting me. It was definitely fighting me. So that's instructions in the cover. Let's see. So this one right here comes with one like this, but it's clear. And then it comes with, hold on, I have the piece over there. But see how this piece is like a metal? This piece is like not really metal, but it's, solid, more solid than this type of material. But the old one I have comes with this type of material, but in a smaller piece like this. And then it comes with a bigger piece just like this. So, and these are portable or whatever, and I can kind of let you hear it. And you can adjust it in the back on how hard you want it to blow and things like that. It's a very good investment if you want to do airbrush and things like that. So let's close that up. This box is going to give me trouble. Let's put this to the side. Y'all know I'm on limited space. And then the last thing that came in today is a Morovan professional nail system. Now, you guys know that I've done a review before on Morovan acrylic system. And I think it was their gel polishes. Yeah, their polishes. And their polishes are very good. I do recommend those. I still have their polishes to this day. I have plenty polish, which makes no sense. But this is their gel kit. I need one for school. Or their hard gel kit. I needed one for school. And I have some, but all I have is clear and a light pink in the pots. In the little pots or something like this, but it's bigger. And I was like, oh no, I think I want to kind of update it. So I went ahead and got the ones that are in the nail polish bottles. So with this kit, I think I paid $19, $20, something like that. No more than $30 for it. It's very inexpensive. So they gave me some glitter. They gave me the brush, of course, for the gel, a tweezer, some, separators, total separators, some more glitter, some blue glitter, red glitter, curved toenail clipper or nail clipper, which I hate those. I love straight, and a cuticle nipper. Some light blue glitter mix. Some teddy bears. Some rhinestones, colorful rhinestones. And a cleaning brush. And this kit was very inexpensive. It was not expensive at all. Very affordable. What else comes in here? Some nail cleaners. A nail file. Probably is not going to do what I needed to do because I love an 80/80. Some nail forms. A buffer. Some butterflies. I'll probably put this in my kit because I have so many, but all this is going in my kit anyway, so I don't know what I'm talking about. Matte coat, base coat, top coat. Is it no wipe? Doesn't say if it's no wipe or not, so hey, it is what it is. Comes with the LED lights. Sun One. I have plenty of those. Supposed to be a 48 watt. This may fit better in my case. Let me see. This is the one I originally have in my case. I think it's about the same size if I'm not mistaken. If I can grab it. That's a Sun 5X. This is the Sun 1. It seems, no, it's a little bit smaller than. So yeah, this will fit a little bit better in my case. So I think I'm going to take this light because I have plenty lights. When I say plenty lights, I have plenty of them. I was going to take my cordless one, but my cordless one is too big to fit in the cases, so it's no need for me to even try. And here are the hard gels. They're in the bottles, and they are 15 milliliters. There's 3 of them right there. You get 3 more. I can turn it around. So this is white, clear, and this is like a light green. So I don't know what that is on there. I don't know. Yeah, so this is the kit. I only paid like $19 and change, something like that. Very inexpensive, very inexpensive. I'm gonna put all this back in the case, and I'm gonna take the case with me to school because I don't think I'm gonna be able to put all that in my kit because I have, oh no, it's gonna go on this side. These go back in there though, and of course I already have gel polish, top coat, and all that already in there. But I wanted to show you guys that really quick because my cases, both of my cases, I haven't even filled the red case yet, but I feel like I'm gonna look way over prepared for school if I take the red case too, because I already showed you guys I already have this case right here, and then I have the other smaller black case that I sat on top of this that I have filled with stuff. Oh, this is supposed to go in there too. I'll put that in there. And down there is the drawer for down here. I'm quite sure you guys can't see this. Back it up and see if you guys can see. Can you guys see? That drawer is full of stuff. And I'm just trying to shove everything in it without getting anything stuck. But yeah, that drawer is filled. It has my hand, my practice hand. I have my silicone hand in there from Red Iguana. So that is all, you guys. Of course, I'm going to give you guys a full tour of my kit, but right now I'm trying to make sure everything is in order. So I will holler at you guys later.